Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online classes of Standard 9th Mathematics with your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today we will going to start the new lesson, that is linear equations in two variable, and in that we will see what is the standard form of the linear equations in two variable.
Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 9th Mathematics, and I am your mathematics teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the lesson Coordinate Geometry, we will see how to plot the points in the plane if its coordinates are given. So, be ready with your pencil, scale and the graph paper and notebook.
Before starting the lesson, let's revise what we have studied in the previous standard. How to plot the coordinates in the form of x and y on the graph paper, and that line which we plot is nothing but the line of linear equations in two variable. So today we have a brief study on the linear equations in two variable and its different forms. Before two variable, let's recall linear equations in one variable. Linear equation means degree 2. No, linear equation means degree 1. Quadratic equation means degree 2. So variable used here is only 1. For example, 2x plus 7. See here, only one variable is used and its degree is 1. So it is the linear equation. 2x plus 7 equals to 10. 4u is equal to 10. Dear students, from A to Z we can use any letter, but it should be in the small letter format, and generally we are using x, y and z, mn, pq, all that, uv. You can use any variable, no problem. See here, linear equation 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Now if you want to find out its root, its solution, then what we will do? We will write it equals to 0. So 2x plus 5 equals to 0. That gives you x equals to minus 5 by 2. And how you will represent this x equals to minus 5 by 2? So on the number line, minus 5 by 2 means 2.5. and the negative sign means minus 2.5. So on the number line, that number lies between minus 3 and minus 2. So here minus 5 by 2, that is minus 2.5. The value of the variable is called solution or the root of the equation.
Plotting of the points. Plot the points P, 3 pi and Q, pi minus 4 on the graph paper. Plotting the point P, 3 pi means the distance of the point from y-axis is, see here, the distance of the point from the y-axis is 3. Along positive direction of x-axis is 3 units, and the distance of the point from x-axis along the positive y-axis is 5 units. So, before plotting these points, draw the two axes, one is horizontal, one is vertical. Then, write the name as 1, 2, 3, x and x dash, y and y dash, and then as p is 3, that is x coordinate is 3. So see here on the number line, that is x axis 3 and y is 5. So p3 pi you can plot here as shown in the figure. Same way you can plot the point pi minus 4, that is q point.
While solving an equation, you must always keep the following points in mind. The solution of a linear equation is not affected when the same number is added to or subtracted from both the sides of the equation. Means when you add the same number on the both side or when you subtract the same number on the both side, the equation not change. It is remains the same. Same way, when you multiply or divide both sides of the equation by the same non-zero number, the equation not affected. Let's now consider the situation in one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in the Nagpur. Two Indian batsmen together scored 176 runs. Now we have to express this information in the form of an equation. So the total run scored by the two batsmen is 176. So let's take two unknown quantities, that is variable. So let's use x and y. Let the x run scored by the one batsman and the y run scored by the another batsman, means second batsman. Now here already the addition of their run is given 176 run. So we will frame the question, we will frame the equation x plus y equals to 176. So this equation here, if you will see, two variables are used and therefore it is linear equation in two variable which fulfill the condition. Together scored run by both the batsmen is 176. This is an example of linear equation in two variable, that is x plus y equals to 176. Now it is customary to denote the variables in such equations by x and y, but other letters may also be used. Some examples of linear equations in two variables are, see here, 2s plus 3t equals to 5, p plus 4q equals to 7, pi u plus phi v equals to 9, and 3 is equal to root 2x minus 7y. Note that here these equations written in the form of equal to 0, if you will write it as, it becomes 2s plus 3t, shift the minus sign phi to the other side of the 0, it becomes minus. So 2s plus 3t minus phi equals to 0. Same way the second equation, p plus 4q minus 7 equals to 0. Third equation, pi u plus phi v minus 9 equals to 0. And the last one is, we have to shift 3 to that side. It is same, nothing but the same. Either you are shifting root 2x minus 7y to the left side or you are shifting 3 to the right side. It is same. So here we will shift 3 to the right side. So root 2x minus 7y minus 3 equals to 0 respectively. So all these equations are written in the form, and that form is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. One side is 0 and another side 3 terms are there. And what are the ABCs here? Here the a, b and c are the real numbers which are called the coefficient of x, coefficient of y and the constant term. And AB are both not 0. Okay. This is called the linear equation in two variable, and we can think to write this type of many equations are there. So here are some examples for you. 2x is equal to 3y plus 7. Now if you want to write it in the standard form, we will shift 3y plus 7 to the left side, so sign will change. It becomes 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. So this is the standard form of the equation. See here, 4 is equal to 5y. X term is missing, but still we have to write it in the standard form. So what we will do, in place of the coefficient of x, we will write 0, because we are aware 0 multiplied by any number means 0. So here the term of x is missing. So we will write it as 0x minus 5y plus 4 equals to 0. Now 2y equals to x. So shift 2y to the left side. It becomes x minus 2y equals to 0. See here, 4x plus 0y minus 8 equals to 0, because here y term is missing. So when the term of the variable is missing, put the coefficient as 0 and insert that term so that the equation is standard form.
See here, we will locate some points, that is, we will plot some points in the Cartesian plane. 5, 0. 5, 0 means 5 is on x-axis, and as 0 is coordinate, it is not anywhere in the quadrant, so it is on the x-axis. Second point is on the y-axis, because its x-coordinate is 0. Third point is in the first quadrant, it is 2, 5 means both the coordinates are positive. Fourth point is also in the first quadrant because both the points are positive. Fifth point, that is minus 3 and 5 as the negative coordinate, x coordinate is negative and y is positive, so it is in the second quadrant. Then y-axis is y coordinate is positive and x coordinate is negative, that is phi. I am talking about phi and minus 3. So that phi and minus 3 lies in the fourth quadrant, and before that one point is there, minus 3 and minus 5, both the negative coordinates, and it is very easy to diagnose because both the negative points, the quadrant is third quadrant, because I know you are getting confused with the second quadrant and with the fourth quadrant, because in that one is positive and one is negative. Otherwise, in the first quadrant both the coordinates are positive, and in the third quadrant the sign of both the coordinates are negative. So it is very easy, not in the confusion in this first and third. So be careful while plotting the points.
Let's solve some more problem which is based on the standard form of the equation, and we will indicate here also the values of a, b and c. See here, first question, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4.37. Now this is not in the standard form, so we will shift 4.37 to the left. Now it becomes 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equals to 0. Here a, that is coefficient of x, equals to 2, b coefficient of y, that is 3, and c is the constant term, so it is minus, so we will write the minus sign also. So c is equal to minus 4.37. See the second equation, x minus 4 equals to root 3y. So we will write it in standard form, x minus root 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus root 3 and c equals to minus 4. See the third equation, 4 is equal to 5x minus 3y. So we will shift 4 to the right side. It becomes 5x minus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Here a equals to 5, b equals to minus 3 and c equals to minus 4. So the question is in the standard form. The equation 2x equals to y can be written as 2x minus y plus 0 equals to 0. So here a equals to 2, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to 0. So the equation of the type ax plus b equals to 0 are also the examples of linear equation in two variables, because we can express them as ax plus 0y plus b equals to 0. For example, 4x minus 3x equals to 0. We will write it as minus 3x plus 0y plus 4 equals to 0.
See here, we will locate some points, that is, we will plot some points in the Cartesian plane. Phi 0. Phi 0 means phi is on x-axis and as 0 is coordinate, it is not anywhere in the quadrant, so it is on the x-axis. Second point is on the y-axis because its x-coordinate is 0. Third point is in the first quadrant, it is 2, 5 means both the coordinates are positive. Fourth point is also in the first quadrant because both the points are positive. Fifth point, that is minus 3 and 5 as the negative coordinate, x coordinate is negative and y is positive, so it is in the second quadrant. Then y-axis is y coordinate is positive and x coordinate is negative, that is phi. I am talking about phi and minus 3. So that phi and minus 3 lies in the fourth quadrant, and before that one point is there, minus 3 and minus 5, both the negative coordinates, and it is very easy to diagnose because both the negative points, the quadrant is third quadrant, because I know you are getting confused with the second quadrant and with the fourth quadrant, because in that one is positive and one is negative. Otherwise, in the first quadrant both the coordinates are positive, and in the third quadrant the sign of both the coordinates are negative. So it is very easy, not in the confusion in this first and third. So be careful while plotting the points.
See here, some equations are given. We will write that equations in the standard form. X equals to minus 5. Here the y term is missing. So what we will do? We will put the coefficient of y as 0 and we will rewrite it as x plus 0y plus 5 equals to 0. Second question, y equals to 2. Here the term of x is missing. So we will write it as 0x plus 1y minus 2 equals to 0. Third question, again the y term is missing. 2x equals to 3. So 2x plus 0y minus 3 equals to 0. Fourth, x term is missing. 5y equals to 2. So we will write it as 0x plus 5y minus 2 equals to 0. See here a small assignment for you. Dear students, today we have learnt about the standard form of linear equation in two variable, and I hope you understand the topic clearly. So try to solve this assignment. Thank you dear students and have a nice day.